Imagine waking up to find your trusted coworker now works 24/7 without sleep. This sci-fi scenario is becoming reality for many industries as AI reshapes work. Today, we'll reveal startling examples of AI's impact on careers and give you actionable advice to stay ahead. In this video, we'll explore how AI is rapidly changing job responsibilities across various professions. You'll discover the ways AI is already affecting different industries and learn strategies to adapt your skills. By the end, you'll have practical tips to navigate the evolving job market, protect your career, and potentially increase your value in the workplace. 1. AI's current capabilities, more than you think. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that's been on everyone's minds lately: artificial intelligence. AI is capable of so much more than you might realize, and it's transforming our world faster than many people understand. Let's start with a scenario that might hit close to home. Imagine you're at work, tackling a project that usually takes you hours to complete. Suddenly, your AI assistant finishes the task in mere seconds. This isn't just a hypothetical situation anymore. It's happening right now in offices around the world. AI has evolved far beyond simple tasks like scheduling meetings or setting reminders. It's becoming smarter and faster at an incredible rate, like a digital powerhouse that never takes a break. Many of us are underestimating what AI can do right this moment. Let's look at some real-world examples of AI in action today. AI is writing articles, creating art, and even coding software. Programs like ChatGPT can write essays, stories, and poetry, while others generate stunning images from text descriptions. In the realm of coding, AI can understand complex programming languages and generate functional code from natural language descriptions. These capabilities are changing the game for content creation and software development across industries. Beyond creative tasks, AI excels in highly technical fields. In finance, AI algorithms process vast amounts of market data to make split-second trading decisions. In healthcare, AI analyzes medical images to detect diseases with accuracy rivaling human experts. The applications are expanding rapidly, demonstrating AI's versatility in handling complex data analysis. AI is also showing capabilities in areas we once thought were uniquely human. It's being used to tackle complex challenges in scientific research and product design, analyzing vast amounts of data to identify patterns and propose novel solutions that human experts might overlook. Even in the realm of emotional intelligence, AI systems can now analyze human facial expressions, tone of voice, and writing style to gauge emotions and sentiment, with implications for fields like customer service and mental health support. The key thing to understand is that AI is improving faster than most people realize. Its capabilities are on an exponential learning curve, with today's reality surpassing yesterday's science fiction. This rapid advancement is why understanding AI's current abilities is crucial for protecting your career. The jobs that are safe from automation today might not be safe tomorrow. Industries that have remained largely unchanged for decades are now facing disruption from AI technologies. 2. Your salary in 5 years. AI's impact by industry. Let's talk about how AI might impact your salary in the coming years. I've got some projections to share that could change your perspective on your career path. AI is transforming not just how we work, but also how much we earn. AI's effect on salaries isn't uniform across all industries. Some sectors are facing major changes, while others might see more gradual shifts. Let's break it down and explore what the future might hold for your paycheck in different fields. In the finance sector, AI is taking on complex analysis tasks that were once the domain of many finance professionals. While some traditional roles may see reduced demand, new positions in AI oversight and strategy are emerging with attractive salaries. Companies are actively seeking individuals who can leverage AI for a competitive edge, offering top compensation for these skills. Healthcare, particularly radiology, is another field where AI is making significant strides. AI is becoming increasingly proficient at interpreting medical images, leading to faster and more accurate diagnoses. However, this doesn't mean doctors are being replaced. Instead, healthcare professionals who can work effectively with AI tools are seeing their value increase. There's growing demand for roles involving AI system management and advanced diagnostics, potentially leading to improved financial prospects for those who master this human-AI collaboration. In the legal field, AI is making its presence felt in law firms across the country, handling tasks like research and document review. This shift might impact entry-level positions and starting salaries. However, legal professionals who can effectively use AI tools are becoming highly sought after. They're boosting their productivity and efficiency, and firms are willing to pay more for these skills. The tech industry is experiencing a surge in demand for AI-related skills, with salaries following suit. Expertise in AI development, machine learning, and data analysis is highly valuable. Companies are investing heavily in building their AI capabilities and are willing to pay premium salaries for the right talent. Additionally, new roles in AI ethics and governance are emerging, commanding impressive salaries due to their crucial role in ensuring responsible AI use. Overall, AI is creating a salary divide across industries. Jobs enhanced by AI, roles that use AI as a powerful tool rather than being replaced by it, are likely to see salary increases. Conversely, easily automated jobs might face wage stagnation or decline. This trend underscores the importance of continuous learning and adaptation in today's rapidly evolving job market. 3. Is your job at risk? How to tell? Ever wondered if an AI could do your job? It's a question that's been on many people's minds lately, and for good reason. AI technology is advancing rapidly, and it's changing the way we work in ways we couldn't have imagined just a few years ago. But here's the thing. Not all jobs are equally at risk from AI. Some roles are more vulnerable than others, and it's not always obvious which tasks AI can easily replace. Let's break down a simple framework to help you assess your job's AI risk factor. Are your tasks routine and rule-based? Do you mainly process data and make decisions based on clear patterns? Does your job require creativity and novel solutions? And do you rely on human empathy and emotional intelligence? Is your work environment unpredictable, requiring quick adaptations? As you review your daily tasks, ask yourself, could an AI easily replicate this process? For example, a judicial law clerk reviewing documents for legal precedents might be more vulnerable than a nanny adapting to a child's changing needs. Consider a web developer who spends their days coding, analyzing user data, and making design decisions. While AI is making strides in these areas, the job also involves brainstorming innovative solutions with a team and communicating complex ideas to non-technical clients. These uniquely human aspects are harder for AI to replicate. Interestingly, research from the Brookings Institution shows that jobs with high AI exposure tend to be in higher-paying fields requiring analytical skills. But here's a surprising twist. Many workers in these high-exposure jobs, especially in tech, actually feel optimistic about AI. About 32% believe AI will benefit their roles rather than threaten them. This points to an important truth. Exposure to AI doesn't necessarily mean your job is doomed. It might mean your job will change, possibly becoming more interesting or valuable. The key is to be prepared and adaptable. So how can you use this information? Start by taking a close look at your daily tasks. The more your job involves creativity, emotional intelligence, and adaptability, the more likely it is to be enhanced by AI rather than replaced by it. But don't stop there. The job market is constantly evolving, and the key to long-term career success is continuous learning and adaptation. If you find that many of your tasks could potentially be automated, consider how you can upskill or reskill to focus on the more uniquely human aspects of your work. Remember, the goal isn't to compete with AI, but to complement it. The most successful professionals in the coming years will likely be those who can effectively collaborate with AI tools, using them to enhance their own skills and productivity. 4. Reskilling for the AI era. What you need to know. Let's talk about future-proofing your career in the age of AI. You've probably heard a lot about how AI is changing the job market, but certain skills are becoming more valuable than ever. These are the skills that AI can't easily replicate, and they're your ticket to staying relevant in an increasingly automated world. Let's break down these coveted skills. 1. Critical thinking and problem solving. Think of these as your mental Swiss Army knife. For example, imagine you're a marketing manager faced with declining sales. While AI can crunch numbers, you'll need to analyze the data, consider market trends, and develop a creative campaign that resonates with customers. 2. Emotional intelligence and interpersonal skills. This is your human superpower. It's like having a built-in translator for human emotions. In a customer service role, you might need to diffuse a tense situation with an upset client, something AI chatbots struggle with. 3. AI literacy. Consider this your new universal language. Just as learning Spanish opens up communication with Spanish speakers, understanding AI allows you to effectively collaborate with these powerful tools across various industries. 4. Adaptability and continuous learning. Picture yourself as a chameleon in the professional world. As technology evolves, you'll need to constantly adapt and learn new skills to stay relevant. These skills work together to form a robust defense against AI disruption. They complement each other, allowing you to leverage AI tools while maintaining that irreplaceable human touch. Let's look at how these skills apply in real-world scenarios. In the legal field, while AI handles routine document reviews, lawyers who combine critical thinking with AI literacy can tackle complex cases more efficiently. They can use AI to sift through vast amounts of data, then apply their expertise to develop winning strategies. Healthcare professionals who blend emotional intelligence with AI collaboration are in high demand. They can use AI for quick diagnoses, but their empathy and communication skills are crucial for patient care and treatment plans. In customer service, the human touch remains vital. While AI chatbots handle basic inquiries, professionals who can seamlessly transition from AI-assisted interactions to personalized problem-solving are becoming increasingly valuable. Studies have shown that AI can significantly improve productivity across various tasks, particularly benefiting less experienced workers who learn to use AI tools effectively. This means that by combining your human skills with AI literacy, you can potentially accelerate your career growth and become more valuable to employers. The key takeaway is that the most successful professionals will be those who can effectively collaborate with AI tools using them to enhance their own skills and productivity. By focusing on these uniquely human skills, you're not just preparing for the future of work, you're positioning yourself to thrive in it. Remember, it's not about competing with AI, but rather complementing it with your irreplaceable human abilities. 5. Practical steps to AI-proof your career. Now that we've explored the skills that can set you apart in an AI-driven world, let's tackle a question that's probably on your mind. How can you actually put these insights into practice? Many of us feel a bit lost when it comes to adapting to AI, but there are straightforward steps you can take today to transform AI from a potential threat into your career ally. Step 1. Integrate AI tools into your workflow. Look for AI-powered software or platforms relevant to your industry. For example, if you're in marketing, explore AI-driven analytics tools. Finance professionals could look into machine learning algorithms for predictive analysis. The goal is to get comfortable working alongside AI to enhance your skills. Step 2. Invest in AI literacy. Consider online courses to boost your AI knowledge. Platforms like Coursera and edX offer a range of AI-focused programs for different skill levels. Coursera's AI for Everyone provides a solid foundation, while edX offers more advanced programs like the MicroMasters in Artificial Intelligence from Columbia University. Step 3. Build your AI network. Seek out professionals working in AI-adjacent fields or who have successfully integrated AI into their roles. Attend AI meetups, join online forums, or connect on professional networking sites. These interactions can provide valuable insights into industry trends and best practices. Step 4. Take on AI-related side projects. Experiment with AI by combining your current expertise with AI applications. If you're a writer, explore how AI writing assistants can complement your work. Data analysts might create a personal project using machine learning to analyze a dataset they're passionate about. Step 5. Leverage internal training opportunities. Many organizations offer internal AI training programs focused on industry-specific applications. If your company offers such opportunities, take advantage of them. If not, consider suggesting the idea to your HR department or management team. Remember, the goal isn't to become an AI expert overnight. Focus on consistent, small steps that gradually increase your AI readiness. This could be as simple as setting aside 30 minutes each day to read about AI advancements in your field or experimenting with a new AI tool each week. A real-world success story shows the tangible benefits. A marketing team improved their campaign ROI by 30% after adopting AI analytics tools. Similarly, data analysts who have incorporated machine learning algorithms have seen significant improvements in their predictive capabilities, leading to better decision-making. As you embark on this journey, keep in mind that AI technologies are evolving rapidly. Staying relevant requires a commitment to lifelong learning. Fortunately, many online platforms frequently update their courses to reflect the latest advancements in AI, ensuring you always have access to current knowledge. How will you start incorporating AI into your career journey today? As we wrap up, let's recap the key points about AI's impact on jobs. You're now equipped to navigate this changing landscape. Remember, the goal is to grow alongside AI, not outrun it. By enhancing your AI literacy and developing new skills, you're setting yourself up for success. Don't wait to start your AI-proofing journey. Identify areas to upskill, seek out AI literacy programs, and stay informed about AI developments in your industry. Your career is like a ship navigating uncharted waters. Let AI be your compass. Share in the comments one specific step you'll take today to adapt to the AI-driven job market. Together, we can embrace this new era of work with confidence and creativity. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content.